What's up, guys? I welcome you in this wonderful video. So there is something that I want to point out now. I'm here on V75 and I am on the 1 hour time frame. So what you can see here is a very interesting move. You can see that price has been going down here, starting from all the way up there. It has been going down now. Let me just change the color. So we can see starting from there that price was going down, giving us lower highs and lower lows, meaning it was showing to us some kind of seller's strength. And at this current state, we can see that it is also on another important area, which is this area here, which previously it acted as some kind of a support, and now it is likely to act as a resistance because of how price is already behaving, because already we can see in this kind of corrective wave that it's like this corrective wave is now about to come to an end, because we can see it is no longer giving us higher highs. It is now giving us highs which are equal or which are becoming lower than the previous ones. So this can be a sign that okay, now price is likely to start going all the way down, and obviously that's gonna come maybe let me not say that's gonna come, let me say it's gonna be confirmed when this upward flow is broken here. And not only that, but when we now see a lower low, because currently we only have these highs which are telling us something, but in terms of the low we still have this one. I cannot count on this one because price is still playing out, and it might happen that it goes down. So we're still waiting for some kind of a low which is lower than this one. But then the thing that I want to show you is how actually things look like in a different picture. Or let me just even start here. You can see someone can say, okay, why should we be selling? Because there's this area here which is likely to do something to the price, looking at the fact that price bounced here and it's struggling to break this area here. So now it's here and it's going up. What if price is not gonna go down below this area? Someone can ask himself that question. Apart from that question, let me go to a higher time frame. I'm gonna answer it. So now if you see on a higher time frame, you see here we are on a 4 hour. We were in the 1 hour, but now we are on the 4 hour. And if you can see here, you can see that the difference is very huge. Here on the 4 hour, it's like the market has been moving up, but then now it's starting to enter in a transition or in some kind of a range, meaning it is like that it's gonna start going down. That's what this can tell you. So one can say, how then should you behave, or how should you interpret this scenario here, having seen on the 1 hour that price is giving you some kind of a selling signal? How should you interpret these things? Because here it's not yet giving you some kind of a firm selling signal, because we can see that price just bounced from the support level. It is still heading up. It may happen that it will bounce maybe somewhere around that area, but we don't know that. So for the fact that we are not certain about what the price is gonna do, that has to strike something in your mind. That has to tell you something, that for the fact that we've opened different time frames, and the different time frames are telling us different things, and the different things, they are not giving us a one solution, but instead they are contradicting the solutions that we've already established in the time frames that we've looked into. So that means that whenever, as a trader, when you're analyzing using price action like this, and when you're about to enter your market, you don't have to hold on to your analysis or to the picture that you've seen. You have to be open to what to the changes that the price is gonna give you. For an example, let's say you look at it in the 1 hour. You say, okay, I'm gonna sell. Be flexible when the price doesn't go down, and when the price starts to go up. And by being flexible, I don't mean that when the price starts to go up here means that you have to buy. No, you don't have to buy. By flexibility, I mean that you should allow the price to do what it wants, and you should acknowledge the fact that you will never know what the price is gonna do. For the fact that you will never know what the price is gonna do, that's gonna help you as a trader to put your risk management in plan. Because through this video, or through this little analysis, you can see that we actually cannot tell what the price is gonna do. We can only have clues, and the clues that we have, it is not just one clue, but it is different clues depending on where we look at the price, on which time frame we look at the price. So because of that, you have to make sure that you acknowledge the fact that you never know what price is gonna do, and you understand that the only way to success, it is only by managing your risk and interpreting this game as a game of probabilities, not as a game of forecast. You don't succeed only by knowing how to analyze the price. You also succeed by understanding probabilities, by taking advantage of trades that are winning and closing trades that are not winning. So I hope that is making sense. So that's what I wanted to highlight to you guys, that no matter how good of an analyst you are, the price will always be contradicting what you have seen on a different picture, because obviously we'll never know what the price is going to do. So put your price action in place, analyze your price action, but keep in mind that price can do anything, because that's what triggers traders to be a bit angry, because they analyze thinking that price is gonna do what they want, and then when price does the other thing, they become angry, and that anger is being interpreted even on their trading. They trade like they are fighting with the market, which is a very, very bad thing, and it doesn't yield any good result. So let me just keep it here, guys. Just understand that you don't succeed only by knowing how to analyze, but probability and risk management is also gonna give you more advantage. So remember to like, share, and subscribe.